Hi, Matt Toms here with another OneChart lesson. Today we're looking at the song Coming Home by Sheppard. It's a dance song, so there's not really any strong strumming guitar in the actual recording, but what we're going to do is we're going to take you through the chords and we're going to pretty much make up our own rhythm to suit this song. So some of it will be eighth note strumming, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and the rest of it will be kind of up and down depending on what the song requires. So it's called altering the dynamics of your playing or the dynamics of the song. So in the intro you'll be playing more quietly, fewer strums. As it gets into the chorus, you'll be doing more strums. Now the original song is in the key of B, which contains B, A, E, and an F sharp. So to avoid those bar chords and make it easy for everyone, we're going to use our capo on the 4th fret. Now, as we start this song on the B, with a capo on the 4th fret, now that means we can play a G chord, because with our G chord, if you look at that G-shaped chord, that note, which is normally on the 3rd fret of the E string, that's your root note for the G chord. When you've moved everything up 4 frets by putting a capo on the 4th fret, that root note on the 3rd fret of the E string is now on the 7th fret of the E string, which means it's a B. And if you work your way up from E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp on the 4th fret, A sharp, B on the 7th fret, that means that that chord that looks like a G is actually a B chord. It looks like a G, it sounds like a B. Now, all our chords now with a capo on the 4th fret are actually quite easy. We've got a G, followed by a C, and we've also got Ds. And when we go to our C, I'll show you a little trick to make it sound a little bit more like the song as well. We touch on that B note and then play the C straight afterwards. Then the only other chord we need is an E minor in the bridge. So let's begin with the intro, and we're going to do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and we're going to do one strum on each beat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and that's just a starting point. You can play more strums. Now we're on to the verse. I've been stuck in motion, moving too fast, trying to catch a moment, but it slips through my hands. Now up to the D, all I see are long days and dark nights. So that's the little B note we played just before the C on the 2nd line of your verse. So when it goes from D, long days, dark nights, you don't have to put that little B in there. You can just go long days and dark nights. I'm lost without you, but I'm on my way, so hold tight. Then the chorus. This is where you can slightly change your strumming pattern. I'm coming home tonight, meet me in the valley where the kids collide into the morning. Oh my God, my time is coming alive. So that F chord that we just played there comes on the 4th beat of that bar. So when we hit the G, we go 1, 2, 3, F on 4 into C. Now the chorus, we're repeating that little 4-bar sequence. We repeat 3 times. I'm coming home tonight, I know you're ready for the sparks to fly into the morning. Oh my God, my time is coming alive. Now we repeat one more time for the 3rd time. Do 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 do. When we get to that end of that line, we hit a DS symbol. Now, I've explained this in other videos, but if you've never seen it before, it means del segno, which in English means to the sign. which means you go back to the sign. The sign is at the beginning of the verse. It looks like a crazy sort of dollar sign with dots on either side of it. That is el segno. Del segno means go to el segno, or to the sign. So it's like a repeat sign, but because you already use repeat signs in the chorus, we can't use them again at that same spot at the end of the chorus. So the DS tells us to go back to the beginning of the verse. It is used only once, and then we're back to the beginning of the verse. Okay? Don't want to spend my whole life catching my breath, 'cause I've been running round and round and round till I got nothing left. There's nothing like a sunset skyline to let you know you're almost home. So breathe in and hold tight. Just as a little aside there, to play that B note and then land on the C chord, you can do it that way, but you can also play that B note and then play a C add 9, which kind of makes that little transition kind of easier to take. So you can go, just to repeat that bit, there's nothing like a sunset skyline to let you know I'm almost home. So breathe in and hold tight. I'm coming home tonight. Meet me in the valley where the kids collide into the morning. Oh my God, my time is coming alive. I'm coming home tonight. I know you're ready for the sparks to fly into the morning. Oh my God, my time is coming alive. I'm coming home. What I didn't mention before is that we played that chorus line 3 times on your chart. The second time we play that line, on the last bar when we play the C, we stop. And you'll hear it in the song. It doesn't matter whether you stop or not, but it kind of sounds right when you know that the song stops there. Because I'm coming home to do-do-do-do-do. So just before the do-do-do-do-do-do, that's where we stop on that C. So the easiest way to remember it is it's the second time through that line, and we play that line 3 times. Each time we do the chorus, we do that line 3 times. So the chorus is like this. I'm coming home tonight. Meet me in the valley where the kids collide into the morning. Oh my God, my time is coming alive. Second time. I'm coming home tonight. I know you're ready for the sparks to fly into the morning. Oh my God, my time is coming alive. 'Cause I'm coming home to do-do-do-do-do-do-do. During this bit, it makes sense to do more strum. Then we move on to the bridge. Time has a way of diluting emotions, but I won't let distance get in between us, no. Right, those chords are pretty straightforward. There's 2 beats each, and that takes us into the last chorus. This last chorus we treat exactly the same way. We do a stop the second time through at the end of that line on the C. Then we actually, because we play it through 4 times, the last 2 times are the do-do-do-do-do-do. Okay? So from that last chorus, I'm coming home tonight. Meet me in the valley where the kids collide into the morning. Oh my God, my time is coming alive. I'm coming home tonight. I know you're ready for the sparks to fly into the morning. Oh my God, my time is coming alive. 'Cause I'm coming home to do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. I'm coming home to do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. And the last line through, oh, 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 oh. We stop on that C with the very first strum on that bar. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that song, and I hope you come back to the OneChart website often and frequently. We're adding new songs all the time, and the main aim of the game is to get you playing songs like a pro with all your information, everything you need to know on one page to make it easy to play and practice and memorize. Thanks for watching. See you again.